Hi, and welcome to Julie's Kitchen. Today what we are featuring is our Voila Glassware from Tupperware. This is something that's brand new and it's going to be released September the 18th. All right, and what we have here with the glassware, you also have a seal that you can seal things up in it. It is ovenware safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. Now, if you're putting it in the oven, make sure you are not using the seal. Only if you are using it in the microwave. And then if you're using it in the microwave, you're going to flip the little tab up here so that it can vent. And then you can warm things up or cook things in the microwave, okay? Now, what we're doing today, though, is showing you the ovenware part of this, okay? I'm going to take the seal off and put it aside. And the glassware here, we're going to make brownies. Now, I have not greased the pan at all. One second, let me put this down. I have not greased the pan at all, and we're going to put the brownies in it. And they are not going to stick. That is what one feature that I love about the glass, is that you do not have to grease it like a metal pan. All right, now I am using just one box of your Duncan Hines. I like the dark brownie. You can use whatever regular brownie, milk chocolate brownie if you want to, but I love the dark chocolate. So it really doesn't taste that much difference as much as it looks a little bit different, okay? But you just go by the recipe that's on the box. 1 egg, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of oil. That's all it takes, and then you mix it up, and then just put it in your pan. And I'm using our little spatula to spread it out, mix it and spread it out. All right, now, there you are. And again, I didn't grease it. Now we're gonna put it in the oven at 350, and then we're gonna come back and show you what it's gonna be like. And it's not gonna stick in the oven. Isn't that great? All right, and so watch for the next video. Welcome back. I have the brownies ready. They have been cooling now for a little over 30 minutes. Okay, and so I'm gonna take our little spatula. That's sort of like a knife because it's a very thin spatula. And I'm going to proceed to start cutting them. But let me get a little closer so you can see. Okay, this is the brownies. Now, I cooked them only 20 minutes because I like them still a little soft so that when they cool down, they're not real hard. And that's what so many people do. They overbake them, and then whenever they cool down or the next day, they feel really hard. And these won't do that, so because you only cook them 20 minutes. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're just going to take the little spatula like so, and we're going to cut it like so, and then we're going to lift it out. Okay, perfect. Now you can see, look how clean the pan is. That's what I love about cooking with glass. Okay, well, thank you for watching this video and watching our Voila seeing our Voila cookware. I'm going to put the seal on here. That way they're going to stay fresh and in the pan. All right, and the seal, if you notice it seals on the inside, not the outside. So you're going to go like first base, second base, third base, and then slide into home. Okay, and then you've got a nice seal on it. You make sure that your little tab is down because that's what you use for the microwave. Okay, and then you just store them on your cabinet or whatever you want to do with the brownies. I don't put them in the refrigerator though. Okay, so anyway, appreciate you watching. All right, and stay tuned for the next video showing our Voila cookware doing something else.